Swerve gang, and that's on the
Swerve gang.
That's GIBK. Yeah. That's us. That's our shit. That's what we do.
Shout out to them trap niggas.
Your block. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for your bitch? She right here on my couch. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for me? You find me at the trap house. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. Got so much money now I had to open a safe house. I'm trapping it out. I'm trapping it out. If you looking for your bitch, she right here on my couch.
Niggas saying anything and I'm saying something. Ride with your bitch, ass fat as a pumpkin. I'm making swerves and she just gunkin'. Bet in the game called me Tim Duncan. No, I can't ball boy, but I'm still dunking. Them ain't 2 2s, you ain't riding on nothing. I might rob him if he get a little money. Never been a clown type, ain't shit funny. Def Jammer in the scope, who gon' sign? Where's Waldo? Boy, feds can't find me. Learn from something in the cave, just hide it. Rap shoot your boy, cause I'm not fighting. Oh, you like the verse? Well, I wasn't even trying. Shout out my man Deucey in the cell, just frying. Shout out my man Flocky in the cell, just frying. And then my main men till I'm dying. Ignition to the decks, let's start flying. Loud pack smell like stinging ass time. Dope nigga, shorty come sniff your line. Young nigga, I'm way ahead of my time. Not at Houston, I'm on my grind. Used to trap it out in the hallways all day. Had to learn the hallways, jumped out there, I was 13. I was 10 when I seen my first scene, that's murder. Mac hit your ass like a #1 burger. You think you going far, nigga, I'm further. You wanna go head to head, nigga, I'ma hurt you. Don't ask me what I'm doing, nigga, I'm working. Don't ask me what I'm doing, nigga, I'm working. On your corner, on your block, nigga, I'm swerving. On your corner, on your block, nigga, I'm swerving.
Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for your bitch? She right here on my couch. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for me? You find me at the trap house. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. Got so much money now I had to open a safe house. Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for your bitch? She right here on my couch.
Been to jail, I ain't going back. Robbed a nigga for all his stacks, like the IRS, I'm taking that. Fucked your bitch in the phantom all black. When I'm done with her, you can have her back. Like a used condom, I don't want that. Drug smuggling all day, that. Calling Nando, he moved the bricks from Orlando and sent them to the bando where the Swerve gang reside. I went through his front door, left his body on the kitchen floor. Now I'm running through the back door. Hopped in the Rolls Royce. I got so much money, it's like the levee broke. New Orleans, now these bitches all over me. But back then they didn't want me. Now I'm hot, got the trap, bumping, turning up. None but lean in my cup. Pop a Molly, now I'm up. Roll me a blunt and I'm good. Fuck the fame, I just want the riches. Grinning, bought me a mistress. Don't give a fuck what you think, cause this bitch is wearing me. Jealous niggas turning pink. Dirty pussies cause they stink. And they snitching to them pigs. Call my shooters to take their rings. Miami Heat.
Trapping it out. Trapping it out. You looking for your bitch? She right here on my couch.